Let's look at two same-sized rectangles that are divided into equal parts. Are all the parts the same size? Yes! Each rectangle is the same size and is divided into fourths. So all the parts are the same size.
Let's look at two same-sized rectangles that are divided into equal parts. Are all the parts the same size? Indeed! Let's take a closer look. One rectangle has two equal parts, and the other has four equal parts. When a shape has more parts, the parts are smaller. Snark has a lot of guests showing up to his party, and they're all hungry.
Uh-oh, I better cut this lasagna into smaller parts so we can feed more people.
And you should start making some more food.
These three pizzas are all the same size. Which one has the greatest number of equal pieces? Yoop yoop! This pizza has 4 equal pieces. That is more than 2 or 3 equal pieces.
These three pizzas are all the same size. Which one has the largest pieces? Compare the sizes of the pieces in each pizza. Try again. Nailed it! The pizza with 2 equal pieces has the largest pieces. That's because it has the fewest pieces. Yoop, how much leftover lasagna is there?
There's a half of a tray, a third, and a fourth.
And Snark, since it was your party, you get to do all the dishes.
Done! Aw, yeah! It's practice time!
Collect all 3 stars to finish the practice round.
How many fourths are in a whole pizza? Double wow! There are 4 fourths in a whole pizza.
How many halves are in a whole sandwich? Indeed, there are 2 halves in a whole sandwich.
Awesome!
I bet I can make it super awesome if I keep trying.
Which does not show 1 half missing? Good going! This shape has 2 unequal parts, so it does not show 1 half missing.
Which does not show 1/3 missing? Remember, you need to choose the answer that does not show 1/3 missing. Try again. High five! This shape has 4 equal parts, so it does not show 1/3 missing.
Which does not show 1/4 missing? Woohoo! This shape has 3 equal parts, so it does not show 1/4 missing.
Super awesome!
Bet I can make it super duper ridiculously awesome if I keep trying even more. How would you divide this sandwich to get the largest equal parts? Look carefully. Which are largest? Halves, thirds, or fourths? Try again. Well done! Divide the sandwich into halves to get the largest parts.
How would you divide this to get the greatest number of equal parts? Awesome! Divide the sandwich into fourths to get the greatest number of equal parts.
Super duper ridiculously awesome!
Yoop yoop! You did it! You finished the practice round.
Hold that thought, Flory.
Are you sure you want to?
Hold that thought, Flory. It's time for a scoring round!
Remember to work carefully.
How many halves are in a whole pizza? How many fourths are in a whole sandwich? Which shows 1/3 missing? Which shows 1/4 missing? Which sandwich has the fewest equal parts? Which sandwich has equal parts that are the smallest?
Hi again. Are you ready to practice some more math skills?
We'll unlock different doors on our quest to the quiz.
Let's go!
Now let's practice with halves, thirds, fourths, and equal parts.
Ooh, look!
Use this to unlock the door. Let's sort some shapes. Put all the shapes that show 1/2 missing into the box. Then tap Done. Awesome! 1/2 is one of 2 equal parts.
Put all the shapes that show 1/3 missing into the box. Almost. Take out the shapes that don't show 1/3 missing. Way to put it together! 1/3 is one of 3 equal parts.
Put all the shapes that show 1/4 missing into the box. Yes! 1/4 is one of 4 equal parts.
Are you sure?
How many halves are in a whole waffle? Now the waffle is divided into halves. How many halves are there? Indeed, there are 2 halves in a whole waffle.
How many fourths are in a whole slice of toast? Now the toast is divided into fourths. How many fourths are there? Zowie! There are 4 fourths in a whole slice of toast.
How many thirds are in a whole waffle? Good thinking. There are 3/3 in a whole waffle.
Which slice of toast has the least number of equal parts? Awesome! This toast has 2 equal parts, so it has the least number of parts.
How would you divide this to get the smallest equal parts? Nailed it! Divide the toast into fourths to get the smallest equal parts.
Are you sure?